Hi, this is Eric Ross again. I want to show you one of the most important things you can learn to do for yourself, and you're going to want to do it often, and that's to make a snapshot of an instance in Lightsail. It's going to save you a lot of trouble because sometimes your website goes down, and your database might get corrupt, and you have to start all over. So why not start with something you did a few hours ago instead of something you did 6 months ago? It's gonna save you a lot of time. So you want to bring up your Lightsail dashboard, and here's your instance of whatever website you have, containers, database, networking, storage, whatever. And so you just go into snapshots, and here we have this particular instance, and actually you want to go into the instance, and then go to snapshots. So, and you have this option to create a snapshot manually. I have it on automatic snapshots, updating every time at 1 a.m. But I find that's not enough, and you just sometimes you make a lot of product changes or add a bunch of products, and you just want to be safe. So you would go to uh, this screen and manually create a snapshot. Um, and here's all the snapshots that I have right now. But you just click on create a snapshot. It gives you a unique identifier, and just go and hit create, and it'll loop through. You get a little wait screen here. When that's done, that snapshot is ready to go. So what happens if your site goes down and you need to revert to an older version? Um, it's really not that bad. It's pretty simple. You would go to your networking screen. Actually, go back to your light sail console, main console, then go to networking, and you have the static IP address that you attached your instance to. So you want to go ahead and detach the old one. Say yes, detach, and and then go ahead and when that snapshot gets done, uh, you've loaded that instance of that snapshot, it'll be trans three with the yeah, unique identifier there. So you can go back into networking and go to your static clip, and you want to attach. We're just going to reattach this one, but you'll have a new one that you can reattach. And then you just attach it, and then go back to your main window and go to load balancer and make sure this is attached. It is attached now. So check to see if it's running. You got a HTTP, HTTPS. Everything's good to go. And let's test it. Let's see here. And website is up and running again. Great. So we just created a snapshot. Uh, we we created an instance from the snapshot, or that's what you'll do on your own. And then we detached the old instance that was corrupt um, from the static IP address, reattached the new instance, which was one that came from a snapshot, earlier that day or whatever, before your website went down, and then check the load balancer to make sure that the snapshot was attached, and uh, and then everything's good to go. Um, but anyways, that's just a run through. I'll show you how to do that in more detail if anyone has any trouble. Again, I'm your smart friend to help you out. Just call me anytime or email me, and I'll be your tech guy. Um, if you need one, you won't need one after a while. You're gonna learn this stuff real fast, and and you'll be teaching people yourself. Okay, have a good night. Thank you very much for your time, and buy my book.